GPS 2347 Heavy, contact tower 18.45, good night.
GPS 2347 Orlando Tower, wind 2007, runway 18 right, clear to land. Southwest 538, contact departure, see ya.
Order departure, Southwest 538, thanks.
GPS 2347, turn right and contact ground 121.8. Good.
Turn right and go to ground.
2347 Heavy, taxiing via Alpha Juliet. Have a good night.
Ground, what did you say I was supposed to taxi on?
Sorry, Delta 2007, taxi, I'm sorry, I just had Discord in my ear. Stand by. Four by four, 5x5, Delta 2807, runway 17 right, taxi via Bravo.
Tower, did you say taxi via Bravo?
I'm so sorry, guys. I just had Discord in my ear and I was yapping and I just couldn't pay attention. Delta 2807, runway 17 right, taxi via Bravo 5, Charlie, Juliet, Golf, Hotel 1.
Taxi via Bravo 5, Charlie, Juliet 1.
Delta 2807 is going to be a right onto Charlie, a right onto Juliet, Golf Hotel 1.
Right under Charlie, right under Juliet, Golf Hotel 1.
Atlantic Ground, good afternoon. Bonanza 36 Romeo Alpha with you at the west ramp with information pop or ready taxi.
Number 36 Romeo Alpha, Orlando Ground, confirm squawk, 315 in Mo Charlie.
3153 Mo Charlie, 6 Romeo Alpha.
Number 36 Romeo Alpha, runway 18 right, taxi via Alpha Bravo 1.
18 right via Alpha Bravo 1, 6 Romeo Alpha.
4332 rating check. Delta 332, I hear you, let's call that 2x5. 2x5, what? Here, how about now? Same. Okay.
And out of ground, Bonanza 6 Romeo Alpha. Can we get an intersection report of Juliet by any chance?
36 Romeo Alpha, yeah, hold short right there. Don't exit the ramp, let me call.
Alright, don't exit the ramp, 6 Romeo Alpha.
Over 36 Romeo Alpha, taxi runway 18 right via Alpha Juliet.
18 right via Alpha Juliet, Bonanza 6 Romeo Alpha, thanks.
Delta 332, it's even worse.
And again, 332 look for another radio check. We're just switching over settings to see if it works.
Better, but
There we go. Alright.
well, that's about like a 3 or a 4 at this point. That's doable for right now, I think.
Alright. And 332 look for push. The 73.
Delta 332, runway 17 right, taxi via Golf Hotel 1.
Oh, we need a push first.
I'm sorry, Delta 332, I thought you called asking for taxi for sure.
Oh no, I have to push.
Orlando Ground, good evening, Air Mexico 404 in airside 4, information Papa, ready taxi.
Air Mexico 404, Jacksonville ground, standby 1 for me.
Roger.
Air Mexico 404, runway 18 left, taxi via Echo 4, Echo Charlie Bravo 1. November 36 Romeo Alpha, contact tower 1845, sorry.
Tower 1845, Sierra Bed 6 Romeo Alpha.
Taxi runway 18 left via Echo 4, Echo Charlie Bravo 1, Aeromexico 404.